back, everybody. So I am plugged up just from allergies, sickness, and we just had horrible smoke from the Canada fires yesterday. I didn't get a video of it, but that's the worst I've ever seen it. And I'm just stuffed up solid, so if I sound funny, that's why. What I'm doing, if you remember, I dug out a mudslide with this MT232, and what I'm doing right now is I'm hauling dirt back to the yard and filling in the low spots. Now yesterday my dad came down and he put some dirt there along the sides of the house, trying to slope away from the house for rainwater to be able to go away from the basement. And we got most of that done. I need to do some gutter work and we'll finish that up. But in the meantime, I'm trying to level out the yard. So that's what we're working on, and we're almost to 92 hours total with the tractor. So we're getting very close. All right, so here's where we've been adding dirt, filling some holes. We're just trying to make this smoother whenever I mow. Buttons are. Well, they're right here on the front of this joystick, and I don't know which one's which because I don't have a grapple right now, but that's where they're at, right here on the front. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out here and I just put the backhoe on in the last video. I showed you how to do that. And so what I want to do is I'm trying to find a tree that's either down or to cut down. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to pick up as big of a log as I can with this backhoe. Right now I'm just looking around trying to find that tree. Alright, I think I found one that's not completely covered with vines that I can get to. And this is an elm tree and it's overhanging my field anyway, so I'm going to try to cut it down. I got this tree down, but it's still up there in the woods a little ways up on the stump. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to do all this without a strap. I'm going to try to just latch onto it with the backhoe and see if we can pull this tree out of there with this 32 horsepower tractor. So I'm going to try to see if I can hook up to it with the backhoe at least. All right, I'm right here on the end of it. Let me see if I can get a hold of this off. Yeah. Probably got to back up more, yeah. It's well, maybe not. We're just gonna leave the outriggers up. Really close. Yeah. Open up this bucket. Okay, let me try to pull it in. I might be able to get it. I think I am. Okay. Here comes the tree. Okay, we got a hold of this thing. Okay, I'm going to just try to move forward and pull this tree. Alright, let me just say I would not recommend doing this yourself with your backhoe if you want to take care of it. But we're just seeing what we can do.
Let's see if this comes out. It's coming. Tractor's pulling it. It's going to go nice and slow. There it comes. It's coming off this stump. It's going to drop. That's a problem. That's what's worrying me. Still got to, okay, it dropped. Okay, so we got to hold this. Let's try to pull this out in the field. Look at that. That's a big tree. We're pulling the whole thing. Of course, we're going downhill. There it comes. Let me get you here where it's cleaner. Wow. Boy, it's hauling hard too.
But it's going.
Okay.
I can't turn on the front.
I got too much weight. I just want to get this thing completely out. Then we'll have some fun with it. Okay, I think we're out. Let me go check. So take a look at the size of this tree. 32 horsepower just drugged us out of the woods, downhill, mind you, but still, thing's heavy. We'll get this all cleaned up, and then we'll see how big of a log we can pick up with the backhoe. Well, I gotta say, I'm kind of disappointed after cleaning this up. I thought it was bigger, but we're gonna try to grab a hold of it with the backhoe here and see how it picks it up. It up. We got it. Wow. We got the whole thing. Look at that. It picked it up piece of cake on the outer extension with this one. This one here, I can't pull this back. Yeah, I'm trying to pull it back. But maybe with the hydraulic oil cooler, it will pull back. But wow. All right, so we're back out here this morning. I ran out of battery power on the camera and daylight last night. But yeah, we just picked up this extra log that I had here, and it's running better this morning. Faster, I mean, because the hydraulic oil isn't heated up yet, which that's already been approved to add a hydraulic oil cooler on to this tractor, and that's going to help with the backhoe. So that's nothing to worry about. That's why we're testing. But I mean, for this size tractor with this size backhoe, it picked up a pretty nice size log, I would say. And I think it'll be able to do even more once they get that cooler on there. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to finish this up. It's starting to rain a little bit, but yeah, just another test we're doing with this tractor. And I think I've got one more test that I want to do, and then I'm gonna be close to 100 hours, and I think that's where they want me to stop. So We're going to do one more test, so be sure to stay tuned for that video coming up. So I hope you liked all these videos. If you did, hit the subscribe button and like the video. That helps get it across YouTube, I guess. And until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.